my name is Keelan. I'm the superintendent, and we're gonna blow up this place. Everybody, watch out! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
TV. We are trivia channel and family fun time channel. If you see more trivia, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to play Build or Boom by Goliath. And thank you Goliath Toys for sending us this toy. So let's open it up. Okay, this is pretty cool and it's about instructions and stuff. So I'm excited to see what's inside. That's where I got it because it looks super fun. Okay. Well, this seems fun. I just got a guy. I like it already. Just like, got one of this plank. The bottom, set that right here. Here's the cards. And this is where you put the cards on. You hook it on. And here is these like, I don't know, they're like blocks, I guess. Here's a cone. Here's another metal plank, wood. And here is where you build it on. Here's the 2 explosives. Here's the 2 connectors. There's a can. Okay, those are all the parts, and I'm going to show you how to play.
A few moments later.
Now I have it all set up, and now I just need to call my special guest. Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun.
Hello! So we're gonna play a different game, and thank you Goliath Toys for sending us this game. It's called Build and Boom. So the rule of the game is we're gonna pick a blueprint, and then we're gonna build whatever the blueprint says to build, and whoever build it first can explode the other player's building. Okay, so let's do this.
Can I pick a card? Oh, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, the rock, paper, scissors, and see who will pick one first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you won again.
Okay.
So pick a card, a blueprint, pick in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, he's gonna pick one blueprint and we're gonna build it. Whoever builds it first can destroy the other players. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna build this one. So from the parts that we have in the middle, go 1, 2, 3, go! So this is my platform. Ooh, then I need a red. Then I need that.
Oh.
And then I need this. Oh, I'm done. Woo! 1 point. I got 1 point.
Oh, dang.
See, I got 1 point.
No, you
so
have it. You had to have it in the middle. No, you forgot that plate.
No.
No, look, you forgot.
Oh,
so you didn't win. That doesn't count.
Okay, it doesn't count. Okay, I missed 1 part. So let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna pick a hard one for you.
Okay.
Jeez.
So here's the blueprint, and we're gonna build it. Okay, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Then that beam. Ooh, the guy will be upside down. And the red beam. And then that. And then this.
1.
And then this. You didn't even...
No, that's how you build it. Look, it's upside down. You put the card upside down. You put the card upside down.
Now, you built it upside down. You're wrong.
Oh,
Okay, no one got a point yet. Your turn.
I'm so smart.
Whoever scores 1 point first will win.
Okay, no.
Okay, dun, dun, dun. We're waiting and ready to build.
This one.
Here you go, blueprint number 3. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Okay, we're gonna put the guy there. This goes like that. This.
Oh, dang it! Please don't win.
You need to balance it.
There! Got it! Finally!
Okay. Don't shake, don't shake.
La 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 la.
Don't shake. Ah, you got 1 point. There you go. Yeah, good job.
I'm smarter.
There you go.
That's easy.
That'll be easy. Okay.
Easy.
Let's do this.
You didn't say to count yet.
Really? You built it that fast? Nice. Keelan got 2 points. Okay, let's do one more. Just so we have something to play
I'm
with.
gonna win again.
How do you like this game so far? It's pretty cool, huh?
Kind of hard, but now it's easy.
Ooh, there you go. Let's see. Okay, this doesn't involve any guy. So that's our next pattern. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Okay. Boom, boom. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna win this time. How'd you win? You got 3 points. Wow. Keelan is really good at this. Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is a pretty cool game.
I keep blowing your up. What I think about this toy, it's really, really cool. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this because you can build a lot of stuff, and I like how the cars are different builds. I think it's good for kids that really like building. And thank you Goliath Toys for sending us this toy. And if you see more toy videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Well, thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, smash the button, turn notifications, and give us a